Assalamu alaikum. Ramzan is not just about fasting from food, it is also about training our hearts and manners. This Ramzan, we are starting a special kindness challenge. Every day, we will practice one small act of kindness that will make our homes, friends, speech, and community better. These are habits we can keep all year long, not just in Ramadan. So here's what we will focus on each week. First week is about kindness at home, helping family and respecting parents, caring for siblings. Then week 2 is kindness in speech, using polite words, cheering, smile, controlling anger. In week 3, kindness to friends and worship, helping friends, making dua, preparing for prayer. Week 4, kindness to community and gratitude. Let's grow better together this Ramadan. One small act of kindness every day. Are you ready to start Ramadan Kindness Challenge? Just do visit Art and Arts every day and get your challenge. Be blessed. See you inshallah.